Hi, I'm Caitlin with Milton Sunrooms here in Milton, Georgia. I talk with homeowners all across Fulton County and the surrounding areas, and one topic that comes up often is budgeting for a sunroom. People want to know what to expect before they start planning. One of the most common questions I hear is, what's the average cost of building a sunroom in Milton or Alpharetta? Most sunroom projects in this area range between $15,000 and $40,000, depending on the size, design, and materials you choose. At Milton Sunrooms, we offer transparent pricing with no surprises, so you always know exactly what you're paying for. The great thing is that pricing stays fairly consistent across DeKalb, Gwinnett, Cherokee, Cobb, and Forsyth counties, so homeowners throughout the region can expect similar ranges. If you'd like a free, detailed quote tailored to your home, we're here to help. Call us at 470-805-3446 or visit miltonsunrooms.com to get started.